Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock, your friendly neighborhood digital marketing news podcast with new episodes every Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us here on YouTube or look for Marketing O'Clock wherever you listen to your podcasts. Okay, let's get into the news this week. So, Microsoft Advertising released their monthly blog post with all the announcements for us all at once. So, we're going to go through them here and try to make sense of them for you. So, first of all, as always, they are expanding to new markets. They're adding 34, which brings the total to 164 worldwide. And they say this is an audience of more than 1 billion people. So always growing. Second announcement, automated bidding and last touch attribution are coming to the Microsoft Audience Network. So by automated bidding, they mean eCPC. You used to only be able to do manual bidding, but now you have eCPC. So I think it's a bit of a stretch there. But they say if you want to use another automated bid strategy, you can work with your rep and they can help you do that. Third announcement, you can create and manage your audience shopping campaigns from Microsoft Ads Editor. That'll be really helpful for people.
Nice.
Big one here, they have data exclusions now for automated bidding. So if your site has an outage, if something crazy happens with your tracking, whatever reason, you don't want the automated bidding to be like learning from that time, taking it into account, you can set up a data exclusion. And you can do this in tools, planning, and bid strategies, and it looks really easy to set it up. So love to see that. They also have a new pilot program for custom combinations. So it says, quote, with this pilot, you'll be able to create combined lists of the following audience types: customer match, customer audiences, remarketing, and dynamic remarketing. So you used to not be able to blend those all together. Now you can do that. And then they have conversion tracking updates. And I'm wondering if this, because you just were talking about Bing conversion tracking.
I was.
They knew it was top of mind for you.
They definitely wrote this for me.
Yeah.
Because they knew I was going to read it.
So they say first you can now easily delete a UET tag if you need to. I don't know how hard it was before.
Could you not do that before?
I don't know.
Just remove it from your site.
Maybe not easily.
Yeah.
Every time they have these, I'm like, oh, you couldn't do that before?
Easily is in quotes though. So like
I put easily. I put it in quotes.
Oh, okay.
Because it just seemed weird to me.
they did
I couldn't tell if you could do it before or not. They also say custom events are easier to set up. Again, not a lot of detail on that. And you can implement conversion tracking across accounts, which could be kind of scary if you have like a MCC going on. So just be careful that you're not tracking conversions across clients. But it could be helpful if you have like a big brand with multiple accounts. And you can also, if you want to, import your smart shopping campaigns from Google. Just go crazy.
Merry Christmas to us.
Not smart shopping, smart campaigns. Did I say shopping?
You said shopping. I was going to say, there's no shopping anymore.
We never talk about smart campaigns without shopping, so...
All right. Smart campaigns are the dumbest form of campaigns.
I don't know anyone who uses them. Okay.
Probably no one that's also using Bing. Microsoft Ads. Excuse me.
One of the things about this article is I just feel like they need to calm down a little bit. They're getting a little carried away with like the Super Bowl ads. They have this whole video at the beginning about like using Microsoft advertising. And they're talking about this is a scale. And they show like Billy Big Mouth Bass. And then they're like, this is a scale. And it's like a scale to weigh things. And then it's like,
this is scaling your business with Microsoft advertising.
Like, relax.
34 new markets.
But whatever, we got some good stuff in there.
It's cute fish.
Yeah. Good time to try Microsoft if you haven't in the past. Thanks again for watching Marketing O'Clock. We'd love you forever. If you'd like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. And don't forget, you can also catch our Famous Friday news show on your favorite podcast player every week.